Hi kiddos, hi family.
Hello.
Valentine's Day is coming up very, very soon. They just finished drawing a love letter and me and KK girl over here, not Emmy girl, we're gonna draw a bear. So follow along step by step. We're drawing a bear today.
Yeah,
Are you
come
ready?
join us. Yeah, I'm super excited.
We're gonna show you guys step by step how to draw a bear. Don't worry if you're not a professional. This is for beginners, this is for kids. We're gonna have some fun, okay? You ready?
Let's go.
Yay.
Everyone, let's get started with our Valentine's Day teddy bear.
I'm ready to go.
You're ready to go? Okay.
Let's do this.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw the head first, but I wanna draw a little bit of hair. So
Okay.
what we're gonna do, like centered almost to the top,
Okay.
we're gonna draw something that looks like the number 3.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go big, and then I'm gonna go a little smaller.
Okay, so just...
Kind of looks like the number 3. That's perfect.
Got it.
And then around that, we're gonna draw the head.
Got it.
So we're gonna draw
Okay,
around
I'm following
head.
you. It should be super simple and easy.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna go around, draw a
Okay.
head. And then I'm just gonna go
Awesome.
down, around.
Circular head?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then just connect it.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, that's perfect. Good job.
You like that?
Yep.
All right. All right. What's the next step?
The next step is we could draw the ears.
Okay.
So the ears are gonna be rounded as well.
Okay.
It's almost gonna be like a circle.
On the top of
just
his head, draw
attached.
some ears. Okay.
Mhm.
Big ears?
Big ears.
Okay. Got it.
Oh, I love that. And then we're gonna draw a little or a smaller circle inside as well.
Awesome. Okay. Middle of his ear?
Yep.
Awesome. Okay.
And then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. For
Okay.
The ear.
Repeat the same step?
Yep.
Got it.
All right. So there we go. We have the 2 ears.
Awesome.
And now we could draw like the details on the face. So
Okay.
what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a big oval towards the bottom of the face. So I'm gonna go around.
What is this oval for?
This oval is where his mouth's gonna be.
Okay.
His mouth and his nose are gonna be inside of here.
And this oval?
In the oval,
Okay.
yes.
All right, guys. So this is going to be, yeah, basically where the mouth and the nose go.
Mm-hmm.
So make the oval pretty big.
Yep.
Awesome.
Then we're gonna draw a smaller oval at the top
For his button nose.
for his button nose, correct?
Okay.
Yippee! And then we're gonna draw a line coming down from the oval nose.
Okay.
And then we're gonna draw a curve going up.
Okay. This is his mouth.
This is his mouth, yep. And the same thing on the other side.
Got it. Got it. Okay.
All right, and then right besides this big circle, we're gonna draw 2 round circles for the eyes.
Let's do it.
All right, so we're gonna draw
I'm
one
after
circle
you
here.
first. Okay.
It's a decent size.
Okay,
it's
so
like a
just
bigger circle.
2 symmetrical eyes. Okay.
Yep, and then we'll do the same thing on the other side.
Got it.
Yep, and then we're
Handsome.
gonna draw, yeah,
Okay.
a handsome little bear.
All right.
Oh, I love it. And then we're gonna draw a circle in here as well,
A big circle or a small circle?
like a medium-sized circle towards the top.
Okay. Is the other circle we're going to draw inside the eye going to be bigger or smaller? We're going to draw 2 circles in the eyes or just
Yes,
one?
yeah.
Okay,
so
so
the
which
other
one?
one's gonna be smaller.
Okay, so make
This
this
is
circle.
the bigger one,
This is
the
bigger
medium
circle.
one.
Got it.
Yep,
Okay.
and then a smaller one right under it.
Okay.
And then same thing on this side. A smaller one right under it.
Got it.
Yep, and then we're gonna draw some eyebrows.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a little curve,
All right.
and then the other
Another
side as
curve.
well.
Okay.
But what we could do is we're gonna draw a shape that looks like a banana attached to this. So what we're
Okay.
gonna do is we're gonna go up and
Like an
out.
arc?
Like an arch, yeah.
Okay. Got it.
There we go, that's the face of the bear.
Awesome. All right, guys, so we got the face done. If you guys are finding this so simple and so easy, just don't forget to give us a nice like. Helps the YouTube algorithm, maybe a subscribe, and we appreciate you guys. All right, now back to the video.
All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna draw the arms.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw something that looks like the number 6.
Okay.
So from the side of the head, we're gonna come down, and then we're gonna loop it in like the number 6. And we're gonna
Oh, that's perfect. It does look like the number 6.
Yep.
That's an easy way to do it. So right down here, number 6.
Perfect.
That's a super simple way to do it.
Yep, and
okay.
then the same thing on this side, just backwards.
Okay, so a backwards number 6
Yep.
now. Almost like a up slide down number 9. That's a good way to think of it. Okay.
Yep, there we have his 2 arms.
Okay.
And what we're gonna do next is he's gonna be holding a heart
Okay.
because it's for Valentine's Day.
Awesome.
So what we're gonna do is to draw the heart, we're gonna go straight down from the nose and make a point just so we know.
Okay, this is our center.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And then the heart is like 2 separate hooks.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw one side, and this is gonna curve and make a hook.
Okay. And we're attaching it to the arm?
Yeah, and then
Okay.
we're gonna go past the arm under.
Okay. I'm gonna watch you first.
Yeah, also you could draw a point down here so you know where it
Okay.
ends. And then you're just gonna come down and connect it.
Okay, so just come down. And
Yep, and
connect
stop
it.
right
Okay.
there. Perfect. And then we're just gonna draw the other side of the heart, which
Got
also
it.
looks like a hook.
So we just attach the other heart.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And he's holding a heart.
Yay!
Yeah, look
Awesome.
how good that looks.
Thank you.
And then we're just gonna do like the inside of the arm, so we're just gonna draw a little curve here,
Okay.
just so it separates it from the body, and then on the other side as well.
I like it.
Yep, so this is like his chest
Yep.
right there. Yep.
Perfect.
And then super easy, what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw his feet. So his feet are gonna just start from the bottom of the heart and curve to his arm. So I'm just
Okay.
gonna show you what I mean by that. I'm gonna curve it. And it's gonna be like an oval shape as well.
Okay.
And I'm just gonna connect it to the arm right
Back up to the arm?
Yep.
Okay.
It's 1 foot. It's perfect. And then we're
Okay.
gonna do the same thing to the other side.
Okay, I'm watching you.
So I'm just gonna come out, curve it, and then reach it back to the heart.
So it's attaching from the arm to the heart. And these are gonna be his 2 feet?
The arm to the heart. Yep.
Got it. Okay.
And then we're gonna draw the bottom of his body, which is just gonna be a curve connecting the 2 feet.
Got it.
Yep.
Okay.
It's like he's sitting down, you know?
Yeah. He's sitting down holding a heart with his
Yep.
legs out.
And we
Okay.
could draw 2 patches. So what we're gonna do is
The
we're gonna
bottom of
draw
his feet. Okay.
smaller ovals in the middle. So
Got it.
I'm just gonna come around, draw an oval, and then connect it back to
On
the
both
arm.
sides?
On both sides.
Okay, we can do that. That should be easy, guys.
Yep. And then we're gonna draw another oval on this side.
Awesome.
Yep.
Is this our bear?
This is our bear.
Are we complete?
I think we are, but we could draw stitches. Do you think that would look
Yeah,
cute?
let's draw some stitches for sure.
So the
Yeah.
stitches, we could just go straight up,
Okay.
and I'm just gonna draw lines.
Oh, some detail, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Do it to his chest as well.
Okay. Center up the head.
Yep.
Okay. Where else?
And then we could do it around the ears as well.
Okay.
Just follow the pattern of the ears, so we could go like in a circle.
Kind of like that.
Yeah.
How's that look?
Perfect. Yep. Just some stitching on the bear.
Give it some detail. It looks super
Yeah.
cool. You can leave your bear without stitching if you want. You can start coloring it in, or you can add some stitches. It's super easy.
Okay.
It just gives a little character
Just
to the
little
bear.
lines around,
Yeah.
like you're outlining
Can I do
it.
some around his feet, maybe?
Yeah. We
Yeah.
definitely do it around his feet.
We go around his feet.
Yeah, we could finish down the body too, like if we wanted to.
Right here.
Yeah.
Okay. Put some around
I
his
like
feet.
the feet. I'm gonna do the feet too.
Yeah, let's do the feet.
And I'm gonna do some on the heart, just on this side of the heart.
Okay, that's cool. I'm gonna leave my heart open.
Okay, I like that.
My heart needs to be open for Valentine's Day. Hope you guys enjoy your Valentine's Day. Kiddos, buy your parents chocolate. We love it. Bears. Hope you guys get cool stuff for Valentine's Day.
Bear or a little note.
Maybe I'll buy you a bear and some chocolate.
Ooh, that'd be nice.
How about Emmy Girl? What should we get Emmy Girl?
Some flowers.
Some flowers.
likes
She loves flowers. She does. That she does. Who loves flowers? Let me know in the comments below. Do you love flowers?
I do love flowers. They
Yeah.
smell great.
I like flowers too.
And then that's our bear.
Yay! I want to start drawing. I'm gonna draw
Nice.
some funky colors. I want to
Coloring
start
it in?
coloring.
Yeah, me too.
So what are we gonna do now?
We're just gonna color it in.
Okay.
We have markers, color pencils.
Okay. Do they
anything.
stay for this, or are we gonna fast forward this?
We're just gonna fast forward this part, so you guys
Okay.
can pick whatever colors you want.
And you guys come join us after
Yeah.
for the finished product. Pick fun colors. Knock yourselves out, guys. Have fun.
All right, guys, there we have it. Our cuddly, lovable Valentine teddy bears.
I love it. Guys, I used pencils. She kind of just did an outline with markers and then used color pencils. I did color pencils. I did markers. You can use whatever you want. If you mess up, don't worry about it. Erase it. Start over, grab a new piece of paper, crumble that one up, start the video over, and just do whatever you want to do. Have fun and take your time.
Yeah,
and
you
everything's
guys
gonna
can
be good.
rewatch
Yeah.
the videos. It doesn't matter.
Yep, see, I still got some spots I need to color in. You can take your time, color in, have
Yeah,
fun.
I like how you did funky colors on yours.
Yeah, funky colors, traditional brown bear.
Yeah.
I just want, if I can make a bear, my own bear, what would I make it? I'd make it this color. If I go into Build-A-Bear and build a bear, this is the color I would make it.
I love it. It looks so
Super
good.
cool and fun, and this is what I would do. And I love it.
It's very unique.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, guys, thank you so much for participating in our videos, for following along. Thank you, kiddos.
Yeah, thank you. I hope you guys had fun. I hope it was easy to follow. If you guys liked it, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.